Hi, Frances. How are you doing today?
Good.
Good. So tell me, how did you hear about Express Flooring?
On commercial.
Commercial?
Commercial.
1-800-EXPRESS. I see the floors turn out absolutely beautiful.
Yes, they
Did you get the extra cushion under there?
Yes.
I could tell.
Very
It looks
soft.
really nice. And then how was your design consultant that came out to your home?
It's Amanda.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, she was great.
Great.
Yeah, she was really nice.
Did she show you the color samples and things like that?
Yes.
Awesome. And then how were your installers that came in?
They were good. It was fast.
Fast, simple?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, I really like the color you chose. I really do. And then how was your overall experience from start to finish?
It was good. I was waiting. I had checked with a different company, and it was taking forever, so I decided to call you guys.
Great.
And then it was just from one day to the next.
Yay.
Very happy.
Good. And then would you refer your friends and family with
Yes.
Express Flooring?
Yes, I would.
Awesome.
Definitely.
Well, thank you so much, Frances. You have a wonderful day, okay?
Thanks.